With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
5 cards are drawn successfully with replacement from a well-shuffled card deck of 52 cards. What is the probability that all 5 cards are spades, only 3 cards are spade, and none of a spade? Now we have to define an event like x. X is defined as it represents the number of spade cards among the 5 cards. Since the drawing of card is with replacement, the trial are binomial trials. In a well shuffled card, total number of card will be, that is 52 cards, and the number of a spade card will be, that is only 13 cards. Now P equal to 13 by 52. We got 1 by 4, and we have to find the value of Q. Q equal to 1 minus P. We know the value of P, that is 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. We got the value of P and Q. Now X has binomial distribution with n equal to 5 and P equal to 1 by 4 and Q equal to 3 by 4, and it follows x equal to small x, that is NCX Q to the power n minus x P to the power x, where x equal to 0, 1, 2 up to n. Now when P equal to 5, then 5cx 3 by 4 to the power 5 minus x 1 by 4, the value of P, that is 1 by 4 to the power x. Now we have to solve the first part of the question. The first part of the question says that the probability all 5 cards are spades. Now we have to find, that is P equal to 5, that is 5c5 3 by 4 to the power 0, 1 by 4 to the power 5. After solving this, we got 5c5 value will be 1 multiplied by the value will be 0. 1 by 4 to the power 5 will be 1 by 1024, that is 1 upon 1024, the first answer of the first question. Now we are moving to the second question. Second question of the part will be say only 3 cards are spades. Then x equal to 3. It follows 5c3 3 to the power 3 by 4 to the power 2 and 1 by 4 to the power 3. 5c3, the value is 10. The value of 3 by 4 to the power 2 is 9 by 16. The value of 1 by 4 to the power 3 will be 1 by 64. Then we got 45 upon 512. This is the second answer, and we have to find the third part of the question. It says none is a spade. it says P of x equal to 0. Then it follows 5c0 3 by 4 to the power 5 1 by 4 to the power 0. Now the value of 5c0 will be 1. The value of 1 by 4 to the power 0 will be 0. The value of 3 by 4 to the power 5 will be 243 upon 1024. That is 243 upon 1024.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.